The addition of a backyard fire pit can be a great enhancement to your outdoor decor. Homeowners across the country have added a fire pit as a garden feature, as a centerpiece for evening entertaining or for cooking. It's a great way to extend your enjoyment of your backyard or patio when temperatures fall in the evenings or during cooler seasons when you normally stay indoors. If you want to add some style to your backyard as well, consider a freestanding portable fire pit. The key to this style of fire pit is that it displays the fire in a decorative receptacle on legs or a pedestal. These can be situated on a patio or in the yard and can actually be relocated from year to year. Most homeowners have found these freestanding fire pits far easier to maintain. Plus, many come with options and accessories such as safety screens, covers for inclement weather, and complimentary benches and seats. There's nothing quite like the warmth and charm of a crackling fire as a relaxing focal point for catching up with friends and family. Not only can fire pits create fun opportunities with your kids, cooking hot dogs to perfection or roasting golden brown marshmallows for crowd-pleasing s'mores, they can also provide teachable moments like proper behavior around fire, and why it's important to have the fire extinguisher, garden hose, or bucket of sand nearby to smother the fire if necessary. But whether entertaining friends or enjoying special moments with your family, the quality time you'll spend around the fire will help build relationships and create special memories you'll cherish for a lifetime.
Happy birthday to you!
Enjoy your patio in all seasons with the Roman Fire Pit from FireSense. The sturdy design and antique bronze painted steel fire bowl gives this fire pit the style you want and the quality that will last. This unique fire pit features a 35-inch high-temperature antique bronze painted steel fire bowl with hammered lip and brush-painted steel legs, which add handsome detail. Adding a touch of style, this fire pit makes it the perfect patio accent. The Roman fire pit comes complete with a one-piece mesh fire screen with high-temperature paint. A wood grate and screen lift tool are also included with your purchase. Whether you're using this unit for warmth or ambiance, the Roman fire pit finish fire pit from FireSense does it all in comfort, quality, and style. FireSense, the fire of living.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.